Hi, today I'm going to show you how to build a small solar system at home. So what are solar panels? Solar panels absorb the sunlight as a source of energy to generate electricity or heat. A photovoltaic module is packaged, connect assembly of typically 9 into 4 photovoltaic small cells. This is a solar panel which you can get it from Amazon or eBay at a very cheap price. The price of the solar power has continued to fall, so that in many countries it is cheaper than ordinary fossil fuels electricity from the grid. So just for experimental purpose, I got a 10 watt 12 volt solar panel. You need a battery as well. So this is a lead acid battery which I will be using with this. In backup conditions, batteries can come handy. With storage installed, your inverter now relies on the battery instead of the grid to power your home. So your solar panels will recharge the battery, but by how much depends on the weather conditions. The next thing you need is a solar charge controller. You can get it from Amazon or eBay. What it does is, these are designed to do two primary things within a solar power system. It optimizes the charging of the deep cycle batteries by the solar panel and prevent electricity from the batteries for going through the solar panels when there is no sun. So this is a very important part of this project. I'll give you a close look as to how it looks. I'll just try and so this is clear now. So you can see this is a solar charge controller, and here you have to plug in the solar panel positive and the negative. From here the battery goes out. So this is the positive and the negative of the battery, and this is the load section. You can put in any load like a bulb or anything that you want to charge or you want to use. The best part about this solar charge controller is it has got two USB ports from where you can directly charge in your phones. Any phones will do. I charge my iPhone, so any phones will do. Okay. Just because the setting is permanent, I have added a switch. You can call it a bed switch or anything of that sort, because this setting is permanent, so you're not going to open and dismantle everything. So this bed switch will do when you want to switch on the light and when you want to switch off the light. Okay, so now I have connected the battery. I have connected the solar panel. So the battery I have connected here, the positive and the negative. Then the solar panel, which is the positive and the negative, and it's working. So it is giving about 12.8 volts. I can see on the display, and there is a sun rising on the left hand side. There's an icon. There is a solar panel, and the battery is charging because the arrow is blinking. So that's how this works. The next is the load. I haven't connected any load as of now, so let me just go ahead and check. So you can connect a load directly from the USB or from the positive and the negative terminal here on this section. So I will try and connect, let me see, a phone and see whether it works. So I'll try and connect my phone and put this in the USB. And wow, it works and it's charging. So I'm gonna disconnect it. So this is what it is all about. You can get a solar panel, do this small project at home, and use this free, clean energy to back up your systems or your gadgets when in need. Okay, thank you for watching. So if you like this video, do not forget to like. I will try and put more videos in future. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.